they have the most important part. When you go to consider a program, you want a program that is actually accredited by a national body, and FVI actually carries, they have those accreditations. You want also professors that are gonna be involved in the entire process, people that truly care and people that have passion for the practice of nursing and that recognize beneficence as the most important of the ethical principle of the nursing practice, and that's something that FVI actually has. My name is Ronald Alonso. I'm the valedictorian student for the FVI School of Nursing and Technology Miami campus. My biggest motivation was actually my grandma in Cuba. She was the person that allowed me to thrive during all this process, and every single time that I lose sight of the path or that I actually felt exhausted, I just reminded her, and that gave me the inspiration to keep moving forward. One day this could be you. Thank you, FVI.